Ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't had enough, you better hide your lunch, cause we about to eat that ass up.
Okay.
Break up. D-Rock go left while I'm back at the can. When I'm done, you gonna remember my name is H-O-M. Boy, look, I'm home, boy. Now that I'm up in my zone, boy. Pack up, I'm sending you home, boy. Take you up out of the dome, boy. If you didn't know, you should've known, boy. Should've thought about changing your tone, boy. Better not let us get you alone, boy. Crack heads like we made a stone, boy. When we come out, you better be gone, boy.
Tell them how we gonna go. Tell them why they don't want to. Tell them why they better run.
Okay.
Here we come to get you.